Technology is growing at an exponential pace. Cybersecurity is one of the most important aspects for any enterprise organization these days because it is the future. And more enterprise companies are looking to secure their IT infrastructure, their internal networks from cyber attacks. Hi, my name is Syed, and I'll be the instructor for this Cybersecurity Foundations course, as well as IT Security Foundations as well. I've been in the training industry for a little over 20 years, and I've trained thousands of students. Together, myself and Team ClayDesk, we're super excited to bring you the Cybersecurity Foundations course, bringing you the latest frameworks, methodologies, as well as techniques and tools to help you secure your network at your own organization. Let me walk you through the course agenda. So this course introduces the topic of cybersecurity and covers the frameworks and standards used to establish the baseline level of acceptable controls to mitigate online threats. So we're going to look at how to calculate the risks associated with security and how you can architect a cybersecurity solution and the way in which you actually manage the cybersecurity incident if that happens. So I'm going to start by taking a look at the 5 NIST framework elements of cybersecurity: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. Then I'm going to review some of the key frameworks that are used today, including IT general controls, COBIT 5. I'm also going to cover the main control standards in cybersecurity as well, such as ISO 27000 and NIST federal controls as well as payment card industry data security standards as well. So next I'm going to take a look at the cybersecurity of variety of threats that are affected to the individuals as well as organizations. So I'm going to cover state-sponsored espionage and the cybercrime industry. I'm also going to demonstrate how it can be architected for business success using methodology known as the applied security architecture, right? I'm also going to take a look at the main types of cybersecurity mechanisms, preventive measures in order to be able to fully secure your network, and how to manage a cybersecurity incident. I'm also going to cover the processes from preparing and recovering from a cybersecurity attack. So once you're done, you'll have a greater and solid understanding of both cybersecurity foundations as well as threats and how to defeat those threats, including implementation of the frameworks. So who's this course for? I've designed this course for individuals who are already within the IT security field, right? For IT professionals, such as a security analyst, maybe you're a project manager working to secure a network or working on a security-related network, or anyone who wishes to learn more about cybersecurity foundations and gain a solid understanding. So the key objective of this course is to ensure that you gain and understand what cybersecurity is, what are these threats, how to mitigate the cybersecurity attacks, and how to create or architect a framework, underlying principles that go beyond or cover the entire framework of cybersecurity. We welcome your feedback. It's important. We regularly update our courses, and Team ClayDesk teaches over 1 million students online. We're always here to help students learn, and if you have any questions or any topic that you feel you need to learn more about, just reach out to us. We'll be happy to create those additional lectures as we update our courses. So if you're ready to learn and gain solid understanding of cybersecurity framework, principles, methodologies, incident response, attacks, NIST frameworks, this is the course for you. So what are you waiting for? Click on the enroll button now, and we'll see you in class.